Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert an Excel worksheet to PDF using Excel. Let's get started. At first, open your Excel worksheet or workbook. Now we can see here our worksheet. Now we want to convert the worksheet to an PDF. Go to the file menu. Click Save As option. Then choose Browse. Then choose our file location when we save the file. Then write my file name. Then select the Save As drop down menu and choose the file PDF. Then click Save. Then wait some moment to saving the file, and we can see the file is PDF opening on Adobe Acrobat. Now I am close this and go to our file location. We can see here the file. You can open the file anything. Click right button and click open with option. Now I am open on Google Chrome. We can see here the PDF file. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.